You know that being inside the classroom of any MBA college, at least the good ones, is a great experience. But you'd want to know how is it to be at the classroom, inside the classroom of the top 3 IIMs, IIM Ahmedabad, Bangalore and Calcutta. Well, imagine no more, because in this vlog, I'll be telling you exactly how things work inside the classrooms at IIM Ahmedabad, Bangalore and Calcutta. I visited these 3 campuses for you a few months back. I shot a grand vlog and this is a snippet from that vlog. I hope you'll enjoy it. Hi, I'm Darpan Saxena, an MBA graduate from IIM Udaipur, and I help MBA students create fulfilling careers without depending on placements. So here we go and learn more about the classroom experience at IIMs A, B and C. Now from there, another important thing about the life at IIMC is that the focus on your classroom. What exactly is your classroom like and how exactly is the course? What is the pedagogy? That's very important. Now at IIMC, you would be surprised to know that there is very less weightage to quizzes, very less weightage to assignments, which means what? I've already shared this with you that there are practically no surprise quizzes which happen at IIM Calcutta, which is very unlike BNC, which I'll be sharing. Now, thanks to all of that, because there are no quizzes which are happening at IIM Calcutta, or very few of them, very few assignments, the majority of the scores which you get at IIM Calcutta are from your midterm and your final exams. So midterm and final exams at IIM Calcutta are very important, which is slightly hatke at IIM Bangalore and IIM A. From there, what you can see about the classroom experience here at IIM Bangalore is that at IIM Bangalore, the classroom experience, the way they explain things, is a good balance of the case analysis and also of early seminars and industry interactions as well. One of the greatest advantages which IIM Bangalore has is the fact that it is based out of Bangalore. Hence, right from the first year, you have a lot of industry interaction within the classes, within the subject. So I'm not saying that for that they organize a separate industry interaction. No, within the subjects in itself, in the first year, you will see that it's not only just the case analysis, but a lot of industry interaction and a lot of such seminars. Further, what you need to understand about the scoring, that how do they score in a subject. Now, as I said that at IIM Calcutta, you hardly have any surprise quizzes, you hardly have any assignments. I mean, fewer than what it is at BNC. Whereas at IIM Bangalore, there's a good balance of assignments, quizzes, of the exams and all of those things. So while time C, as you heard, that it's more about the exams, it's more about all of those things, at IIM Bangalore you have a good mix of all the things: quizzes, projects, assignments, exams. So if I were to speak about the classroom activities, again I can safely say that IIM A is right at the center of IIM C and IIM B. So while at IIM C I have shared that there are hardly to no surprise quizzes and all, and the entire scoring of a subject happens on the exams, whereas at an IIM B you have a good healthy mix of this. At an IIM A also, it is somewhat comparable to an IIM B, I would say. However, in the first year you will not find a lot of industry practitioners here at IIM A. The first year is mainly very academic. However, at IIM B, thanks to the fact that it is at Bangalore, you will find that even in the first year you have a lot of practitioners being there at IIM B for talks and also. That is something which isn't there at IIM A, at least in the first year. So in that sense, I would say that IIM A is somewhere halfway around IIM C and IIM B. Well, I hope that you've got a good idea about what it is like to study at these 3 IIMs, the top 3 IIMs, and I'm sure that it would have motivated you to study more for your entrance exams and be there. Well, at least that was what my objective was. With that, I'll leave you with the next vlog, in which I'll be speaking about the campus experience at the top 3 IIMs. Yes, the campus life. So do not forget to comment down on this vlog that what did you feel about the classroom experience, and do not forget to watch the next one. Thanks a lot and goodbye.